100 days since Tina Kotek was sworn in as Oregon's governor. She's acknowledged that Oregon's challenges didn't happen overnight, and they're not going to be solved overnight either. Joe Ranieri takes us to Salem to learn more about what Governor Kotek hopes to change.
So far in the first 100 days of Governor Kotek's term, she's been focused on three things: education, behavioral health, and homelessness. Well, earlier today, she said she's going to ask lawmakers for more than $1 billion to continue that focus.
I, Tina Kotek.
Since being sworn in as Oregon's governor earlier this year, Governor Tina Kotek says there's one thing that stands out.
Potential. We have an abundance of people in our state who are willing to try things they've never done before to solve our greatest challenges.
She knows the challenges ahead aren't going to be easy.
The issues I'm prioritizing are of shared concern across the state and across party lines.
Kotek wants to keep nearly 9,000 people at risk from becoming homeless and focus on getting people who are living on the street into permanent housing.
We have begun the work to get us to building 36,000 more housing units per year. These goals are necessary and pragmatic.
Along with the housing crisis, the state is battling a mental health and addiction crisis.
Oregonians need a stronger, more accessible behavioral health system that meets them where they are and matches them with the appropriate level of care that they need.
Finding a solution won't come cheap. That's why she plans on asking lawmakers for help.
I'm calling on the legislature to approve at least another $1.3 billion before the session is over. $1 billion in bonding to build and preserve affordable housing.
The remaining $300 million would go toward continuing work helping people who are living on the streets. As for education,
I've been thrilled to see the progress on the Early Literacy Success Initiative that my office has worked on with Representative Jason Krupp from Bend to support every child's ability to read and write.
She wants to make sure Oregonians of all ages are on the path to success. In Salem, Joe Ranieri, KGW News.